Many sellers don't realize this, but you can submit whatever issue you have, your suspension, your listing suspension, hijackers, by going to our website and just clicking this button, and either me or a member of my insanely awesome client relations team will give you a call back. Now, today's breaking news is about dropshipping. I've been talking about dropshippers a lot. We are seeing and hearing murmurs that dropshipping violations are going to be limited to 3, and then your account is going to go down. We don't know if it's true or not. We've seen several dropshippers suspended right away with the first violation. We've seen several dropshippers suspended after the 3rd violation. So there might be a trend in getting rid of dropshippers, but what is offsetting that fear is that our plans of action are getting you reinstated at the first swing at the plate. Now, our plans of action are the best in the world because of this incredible team of people that work on your accounts. Every single person on our team works together collaboratively. Everyone is college educated, and probably more than half of our team have advanced degrees. So when it comes to dropshipping, you may get suspended, but my team's getting you reinstated really, really quickly. You want to learn more? Again, go back to our case submission button, click that oval, submit your case, and either me or a member of our client relations team will be back in touch with you as soon as possible.